Welcome to the homestead. My name is Renee. Today I'm going to turn a pork chop into pork nuggets. Follow along, and it's basically a pork chop for one. Let's get cooking. All right, so for the seasoning that we're going to put on that pork chop, I'm going to do about a tablespoon of avocado oil, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika. This is smoked paprika. Black pepper, about a half a teaspoon, or again, this is all seasoning to your flavor. If you like less, leave less. If you don't like it at all, leave it out. This is your world. You get to paint it any color you want. I'm going to take that pork chop, doing a little freezer clean out. So this is a pork chop for one, but I'm going to turn it into nuggets. And there's a bone in here. Just get that removed. They say it is easier if it's partially frozen, but if you have a really sharp knife, that would be a way around it. All right, I'm just going to put that here in this oil and our seasoning. And I did not add salt because there is salt in that chicken bouillon. All right, and I'm going to get that put in an air fryer pan. I'm going to put it on 390 degrees for 5 minutes. I'm going to give it a shake and cook it additional 5 minutes. So just spread it out on your pan here. I did cook bacon in this morning, so I just left that bacon grease in there, and that will also flavor this pork chop and these pork nuggets. All right, be back when it's cooked. Here's what it looks like after 5 minutes. Oh, that looks good. It smells so good out here. And I don't think this is going to take another 5 minutes, so I'm just going to put it on for just a couple more, just to get the other side browned up. All right, in she goes. And get this one flipped. I want to show you how easy it is to make a dipping sauce so you can save yourself money and make it yourself. Alright, so you just need about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, your choice. This is Sweet Baby Ray's. We're going to take a heaper of mayonnaise. Listen to the sound of those pork nuggets. Yum! You just want to make sure you get your pork to the temp of 145 degrees internal. And those are all way over and still look very juicy. So we did about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, about a heaper tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I'm just going to do a little, I don't know, maybe a half a teaspoon of honey. Put a little pepper in there. Garlic powder. And then we're going to give that a stir. And of course, if you needed more, or if you're serving your whole family, of course, double, triple, quadruple. But this is amazing. All right, time for the taste test. And look at the caramelization on that. It's so good. And it's juicy. And the homemade dip and sauce. Mm-hmm. That is delicious. So in 10 minutes or less, you can have a delicious pork chop nuggets on your plate. And it's delicious. You should try it. Thank you for spending your time with me today, and thank you for watching. Until the next one, God bless. Welcome to the homestead. My name is Renee. Today, I'm going to make a pork chop. Welcome to the homestead. My name is Renee. Today, I'm going to make a pork chop. Oh my gosh.